state-level ranking criteria. There have been a few changes in the state-level questions. Check those, read them thoroughly. Question 3, for instance, provides credit for energy-saving activities installed on the farm within the last 4 years by the applicant that address the resource concern. It doesn't say anything about the applicant needing to have had an energy audit prior to that, so what we're doing here is demonstrating that the applicant is trying to address the resource concern. Question 5 is another one that is different this year. Last year, we were looking at evaluating the benefits of energy. We didn't really provide a way for you to determine that. We left it up to you, so we assumed that there were quite a few different systems out there. This year we have a worksheet that should help you. It's very simple to use. It's the Energy Cost Efficiency Worksheet. Next slide, please. That Energy Cost Efficiency Worksheet only requires a little bit of input to get the number, so I think it's going to be pleasantly surprising because it's so easy. You just pull out the energy audit, and step 1, you look for the energy savings. Now, if the information is for a practice that has a 10-year simple payback or less, it's going to be found in Table 1. If it has more than a 10-year payback, it's probably going to be found somewhere in the narrative or in another table within the audit, so you may have to dig a little bit for those. But for the most part, the information should come directly from Table 1. So enter the estimated energy savings for the specific energy source. Natural gas has a pull-down menu. The rate basis that was used here reflects a national average. The values are calculated automatically. So just enter the energy savings, make sure the units are the same. Step 2, you enter the estimated installation costs found in the energy audit. And this is the information from the energy audit, not what the payment schedule says the applicant would receive from EQIP. So again, this is information directly from Table 1 or perhaps somewhere in the narrative of the audit. Once those two values are entered, then the worksheet calculates the cost ratio and delivers the percentage, estimated energy cost efficiency percentage. And then step 3 is just to take that and translate it to question 5. So that's fairly simple. If there's any questions about it, just get in touch with me and we'll work through that with you. And we want to thank S&T for developing this worksheet for us. Next slide, please. The screening tool, there's only, I think, one thing that's been changed here, and if you remember last year, there was statements for high and medium priorities that said that the Ag EMP needed to be 4 years or less. This year it just says previously completed energy audit or Ag EMP, and that should eliminate any concerns we have about expiring Ag EMPs. Do try to verify that those are still current. However, we just want to make sure that the energy audit really does reflect the conditions on the farm. If not, the producer probably needs to consider an update of the energy audit. Next slide. I'm trying to make sure that useful information is posted on the NRCS Energy community. I put up some of the standards or references in standards, fact sheets, bookmarks for websites like Comet Farm, which will generate some of the greenhouse gas emissions information. So, things that might be helpful, you'll find on the NRCS Energy page. Program information, EQIP information is going to be on the page that Mark referenced earlier. So that's where you'll find most of the guidance information. If you have any questions, please get in touch or ask them now. Hopefully I can answer them. Any questions?